Ligaya, are you ready to see inside this package? I'll take that as a yes. Alright. Oh my god. It's packed well. What is this? Oh! Wow! Hey guys, look at this! Oh! Nuevo squad, check this out. T-shirt and something else. Oh, what? Okay, let's look at this first. Hi, Sir RJ. RJ, the shirt was from Chili Cabrera. All right, this is for RJ. RJ will like this, I think. And it's gray. Look at that. Oh, give, educate, inspire. TheAppleDriveProject.com. How nice. Wow. Chili Cabrera, thank you so much for this. I'm sure RJ will love this. You wanna come on my shoulder? Yeah, while we do this unboxing. Or I should say, like, unenveloping. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, this one's for me, for sure. A book. And it's about training parrots? Really? I'm gonna love reading this. Oh, wow. Training African gray parrots. Amazing. By Risa Tatler, professional trainer, Parrot Jungle, Miami, Florida. Unbelievable. Oh, from Katie, thank you so much. This pre-loved book is courtesy of Ate Chona. Oh, okay, thank you, Chona. Hope this helps in training Ligaya. All right, it's a pre-loved book, which means it's used, but I don't care. The information's in here. Oh, wow. I love that it's a hardcover book. What year was this written in? Yes, look, this will help me train you. You see? See the guys? Wow. Based on the picture, it looks like this was made around the time I was born. Just kidding. Let's see. Wow. Oh, there's a lot of information here. A good training routine. Amazing. I love this. Thank you so much. Wow. So awesome. And guys, that's not it. We also got this. See the guy? Look how cute that is. That's you. You see that? Oh, don't destroy the card. Don't give me that. Don't destroy the card. I guess I need to use this parrot training. Okay. She loved it and kissed it in a parrot way. Who's this from? Not sure if the Philippines has Halloween, but I saw this image and thought of Ligaya. Happy Halloween. Oh, awesome. And it's from Tomas. Amazing. From Stamford, Connecticut. Thank you so much, Tomas. Tomas Suchetsky. Thank you. That's great. I really like this. I'm gonna keep this. So festive. And he printed this out. How nice. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for sending in stuff. Really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys send gifts. We don't ask you guys to send gifts, but when you do, of course, they're always appreciated and very much so welcome. Say thank you, Ligaya. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Say thank you. Okay, she basically says thank you. Oh, by the way, if you want to send us stuff, the address is in the description box. Alright guys, there's RJ Garcia and we're like crossing the street. Don't worry, I'm not looking at the camera, just holding the camera. Alright. Guys, dinner is at Persian tonight. Yes, we've never been here. I look forward to it. Love Persian food. RJ, did you like the shirt?
I like the color.
Yes, official gang colors. And yeah guys, and speaking of colors, apparently, according to Chinese feng shui, my lucky colors this year as a rooster are red and gray. Hello, talk about gang colors, you know what I'm saying? And RJ also said yellow and orange. How about you, RJ? What are your lucky colors this year?
Yellow, orange, and red.
Yellow, orange, and red. Alright. It's the same as mine, except mine is also gray. Team gray. Yes, Mabuhay squad. Check out Persian food. Persian food is Iranian food. Yes. Iranians know how to eat. Okay, so this is called gimme. It's got like lentils, hold on, let's see, potatoes. It's also got stewed beef, and it's supposed to be eaten with basmati rice, but I'm not gonna eat it. This here is beef kebab, and this is lamb chops. Yes. Okay guys, let's do this. Let's first try this lamb chop. Oh yes, love lamb. And guys, remember our rule, white sauce is from heaven. And that includes Persian food. I don't know what it is, I think it's like garlic and yogurt. Oh, we need lots of this. So good. Beef kebab. It's like ground up beef. And grilled. Let's try some lamb. So good. Yeah, let's try this gimme. I've never had this. Gimme some gimme. Oh my. There's like tomato sauce. It kind of tastes like pasta with no pasta, but lentils and potatoes instead, and like ground beef in it. Oh my. So good. Nice. Pita bread. Yes. Yes. Let's add a cucumber in there, some tomatoes. Oh yeah. Oh my. Let's add some red sauce. I'm sure it's hot. It is hot. So good. Good morning. All right, so this is her first morning without the massive branch. Well, she sees that I'm vlogging, so now she's begging. But earlier she was okay. Right now she's killing this broccoli stalk right now. And she's actually swallowing little bits of it, which is great. She's got her veggies here and fruits. See that? And sprouted mung beans and sprouted almonds. Yeah, delicious. There's even some sweet potato in there. She's not a fan of grapes, surprisingly. I thought all birds loved grapes. But apparently not. She's meowing like a cat. Here. Want grapes? No. But I'm liking this setup with just this here. She's totally fine with it, and it's more appropriate for her talons, her claws. The other larger branch, the guava branch, it was really thin for her, and she was kind of having a hard time on it. So for now, this will have to do. Ellsie and I are laughing at her meowing. Thank you, RJ, for teaching our bird how to meow. Meow. And now she knows how to cluck like a chicken. Did you just say mama? And where did that voice come from? It's so quiet. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Go ahead, let's eat this broccoli together. She wants me to scratch her face. You're spoiled. Here, broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. I actually kind of like this setup for her because, well, for one thing, it's easier for me to clean. Usually, it's all over the floor here, and I have to sweep multiple times a day. But also, I really like that I could just lay the food on the ground. Like, yeah, she has a bowl too, but I could just lay pieces of the food on the floor here, and she can kind of forage around, snoop around, eat like leftover stuff that she's kind of dropped while eating, you know what I mean? It's kind of a bit more natural for them, I feel, because African greys are ground foragers in the wild as well. So, you know, they peruse the ground for food and seeds that they can eat and all of that. So I think this is more natural for her. Gaia and I are just chilling here in the sun, soaking up them rays, manufacturing our vitamin D3. I think this will be our new chill-in spot, so she can get a little bit more sunlight during these walks. So Ligaya, you're about 21 weeks old now. How has life been so far? It's been good? Alright. Do you enjoy living in the Philippines? Has life been good here in the Philippines? She's like chattering. Oh, don't eat that. That might be an... Huh? I think she's ready to go. Alright, let's move on. My beautiful dragon. Yes, okay. Time to remove. Ligaya, do you love the Mabuhay squad? Yes. Hold on. Let me remove this. I don't need help. Thank you for helping though. Yep, done! Do you love the Mabuhay squad? Do ya, do ya, do ya? She says yes, guys.
Too many scars and I've been there, to the place of fear, to the land enemies bear. Sticks and stones, they tried to break my bones, but they didn't know of my lies I lived in my history. My name is eternity. I live on and on, I live for.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? She is fully saying wow now. Like complete vocal true. So it's, you're not saying meow. Are you saying meow or wow? Or is it a mixture of both? Like wow in a cat's voice. Wow, wow, wow. I'll scratch you if you say wow. 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 Good girl. Yes. My parrot cat hybrid. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. I'll scratch you, but you have to say wow again for Mabuhay Squad. Come on. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, scratch, scratch, scratch. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Now I'm gonna scratch you till you say wow. Come on, one more time. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. No, say it. Good girl. Good girl. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Good girl. One more time. Promise, this is the last time. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Mabuhay Squad, isn't her speaking amazing? She totally says wow. And in like a human voice. It's not like a parrot voice. Well, a human/cat voice. So guys, I've got an amazing plan that works so far. So I'm trying to completely wean her, right? And it's sort of working. It really is. She's eating a lot more solids and less of this gruel. At least she's off the formula. But look now, guys, to get her off the syringe, I'm gonna try this. And like, it seems like she likes it. This is good for her. Yes. Eat. Go ahead, eat the gruel off this little chopstick. She takes little tiny bites. But at least she is biting and swallowing. You know what I'm saying? Yes, very good. Pretty soon you'll be off this gruel in no time. You'll be like, what syringe? Whose syringe? What syringe's last name? I don't know any syringe. Good girl. Ligaya, it's time to go to sleep. It's bedtime. We have a very, very important day tomorrow. Come. Very special day. Baby mine, don't you cry. Baby mine, dry your eye. Rest your head close to my heart, never to part, baby of mine. Alright, Mabuhay Squad. So, this morning we're here for a very, very important event. Yes, so important she's meowing like a cat. Guys, it's a very key event for all of us Mabuhay Squad, for all of our friends. Yeah, yes, Ligaya, very important Mabuhay Squad. Today is